Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection. We dabble a little bit into gardening and just overall learning how to grow our plants so that they thrive and hopefully we don't kill them. So if that sounds like a good, fun time for you, hit the subscribe button and come hang out. Okay, so if you watched my last video, you know that the month of June is my birthday month, right? And I went plant shopping, and so I'm going to show you. It's like a little birthday haul that I did, and yeah, I'm going to show you what they look like. I don't know the name of this first one I'm going to show you. Maybe it's a yucca tree or something, but look how cute. So, if you don't know, I have like a thing for Dracaenas. Dracaenas don't really have a thing for me. Right now I'm currently killing like 3 of them, but you know, when they're big like this, I have a harder time killing them. So, I got this guy. It's from the Wild Interiors Signature Collection, whoever that's from. I got it at Lowe's, I believe, or Home Depot, one of the big box stores, and I just really like the green and the yellow cream color. I like that it's like a tree kind of, and yeah, I like that it has some new growth right there. See all that stuff? It looks really cute, and I'm excited for it to grow with the other larger Dracaenas that I have. And yeah, so this is the first one I saw and I picked up. The second one is a Peperomia teardrop. Now this, I have one that's variegated, like elbow marginated variegation with the variegations on the outside, and I was looking for just a plain green teardrop just to add to it. And I have seen some, but they're these huge baskets and they're like $40–50, and I don't, that's not what I want. But I saw this little guy, and he has some type of variegation where there's like darker green in the middle. I hope you can see. And it's not exactly what I was looking for, but it's the right size, and it came with a pot. It's a boring brown colored pot, but I didn't have the option to just buy the plant. I had to buy the plant and the pot, so I did. I could probably paint this and make it prettier, but until then, so I'm going to add this to my other teardrop Peperomia and kind of make like maybe a little bit of a larger pot, or maybe I'll keep them separated. I don't know, but I got this guy. And then I went to my local nursery, and I was there because a couple weeks ago I went there and I saw a really big hanging basket of the Hoya Linearis, and I have a smaller Hoya Linearis, like a 4-inch, and I just saw it and it was really big and beautiful, but I tend to not do so well with the Linearis, so I was like, let me think about it, you know. And if you've seen some of my plant tour videos, if you haven't, go check them out. In my bedroom, the windows, I have Hoyas hanging, and then there's a twisted lipstick plant because I don't have another large Hoya plant to put there. So I was thinking, oh, maybe I'll get the Linearis and switch out the twisted lipstick plant and find another home for that. And so I went there and I saw the Linearis, right? And I'm like, I don't know yet. I'm walking around, and I see this guy. This is the largest. First off, I've never seen a Hoya macrophylla sold in person, and I've never seen one this large. This was $40. A little bit more than I like to spend, but it's my birthday month, right? It's alright. And she's got a whole bunch of tendrils. She's got new leaves starting. If I can not shake for a little bit, maybe you'll see. But yeah, I just saw this and I was like, oh, I'm definitely getting this. But it's not a large hanging pot, right? So I was like, well, maybe, you know, it's my birthday. Maybe I'll get the Retusa too. So I'm still looking at it. I'm looking at it. And I'm like, do I really need the Retusa? And as I'm looking at it, I turn and I see this guy. Hold on. Everybody sit down because you're going to be blown away by this. Or I was anyway. It's a Hoya Linearis. A huge pot of it. Huge. First off, I've never seen, again, this one sold in stores in real life. Every time I've tried to find this plant, it's out of stock, it's gone, you know. And I got this huge, I just saw it. It was in between, there was the Retusa and then a couple of princesses and a queen and then the Hoya Linearis hanging up on the ceiling. And this was $60, which is a lot of money for me. So I might try rooting up some cuttings to sell. Maybe like do 3 long strands for like 20 bucks and then $10 shipping because I'm not paying for your shipping. But maybe that'll help. If I can do that once or twice, it'll help like offset the price of the plant because I'm a graduate student and I'm poor. But it was my birthday. So I am like so excited about this. So excited about this. I mean, look how long it is. When you see videos and they do say like how fuzzy this plant is fuzzy. I want to try to show you the fuzz. I don't know if you'll see it, but it is very fuzzy. So yeah, I'm so excited. There's got new growth all over it. I'm really glad I looked before just grabbing it and going because that was like my plan. I was like, all right, I'm just gonna go in and we get the Retusa for the window in the bedroom and that's it. And something told me like, nah, just chill, like, you know, walk around. I'm glad I did. Look at this plant, look at it. I'm so excited. So, this is like my birthday haul part 2, I guess. Because the first one I ordered the Costa Farms Skindapsus trubii. And then I just got these 4 plants and I might have made a purchase for some Hoyas that I'm going to be hopefully importing. Maybe. Hopefully they come. We'll see. But yeah, so that's just a real quick look what I got. Happy birthday to me. And yeah, so if you know the name of this guy, let me know. Is it a yucca plant? Is it a Dracaena? Is it a bamboo? I don't know. It doesn't say. It doesn't tell me. It just says foliage signature wild interiors. So, alrighty guys. Until next time, relax, plant, peace out, and treat yourself if it's your birthday month. It's alright. Don't like go bankrupt, but you know, treat yourself. Get yourself a plant or 2 or 5. Alright? It's cool. Alright guys. Peace.